Hi there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services, and wanted to thank you for letting me come out here to do a quick estimate for the low pressure siding cleaning. We're going to go ahead and get the siding, soffit, fascia, gutters cleaned up here with a special washing method called soft washing. It's a little bit different than power washing or pressure washing. Most people are familiar with blasting away with high pressure and getting things generally pretty clean. But unfortunately, over the years, maybe next year or so, the stuff actually comes back with a vengeance because you didn't actually kill any of that mold or mildew. So with the soft washing process, we actually will kill all of that stuff before we even rinse it off your house. It's a low pressure detergent based cleaning process. We can put our hands in front of all the tips we use to wash your house, so it's pretty cool. You don't have to worry about any damage on your steel or aluminum house. A lot of times when steel aluminum houses get this old, you can actually have a lot of oxidation problems. So the last thing you want is to have anybody come out here with a power washer and just start blasting away, because you potentially could see a lot of damage. So I see there's a lot of nasty green stuff here. So we'll go ahead and get that taken care of. And one thing that we might want to work out is if you want us to wash on the inside of the screened-in porch here, if you just leave the plastic the way it is, I'm not sure if my soap will go on the inside of your home. So the fun thing about my soap that I use is it will really clean stuff really good. So if it does get behind there and gets on your porch, and not all of your porch gets treated with my detergent, you might see clean spots like puddles or something. So something to consider. So either way, if you want to raise up the screens and we can clean on the inside, we can do that as well, and get all those spider webs and bug guts and mold out of there as well. Something also to consider is these screens don't look like they've been cleaned in a while. So when we do a house wash, our cleaning process disturbs the dirt in the screen. And when we rinse your screen down, you may have like weird streak marks in the screen. So it's kind of hard to predict when it happens or when it doesn't happen. But the way to prevent that is to actually physically scrub each screen with a bucket of Dawn dish soap, and just go over each screen on both sides, and then rinse all of them. It takes a little bit longer, but at least way your screens will be nice and clean. Not sure if these screens can handle it. They look like they've seen better days, so maybe it would be a good idea to just wash the siding, soffit, fascia, gutters. And we'll take good care of that for you. Thanks so much for having me out here. The benefit of our low pressure detergent process, we don't have to actually use any ladders or scaffolding or high pressure. We do all this from the ground. We can spray up to four stories as long as there's no wind. But once again, my name is Eddie. We're a local small business out of Beloit, Wisconsin. We service the Williams Bay, Lake Geneva, Fontana area, Madison, Rockford, and this is what we do. We specialize in roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, siding cleaning. If there's any questions you have, please don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell, and we'll work out any issues you may have, and definitely get your home and property spruced up. Thank you so much. Have a great day.